Okay, go to the light setting. We are going to talk about light, sunlight here, and environment before. So for creating a sharp shadow here, you can turn it on or off. You can change the height of that. You can see. You can change rotation, how much intensity of that, power of that. And if you want to sharp shadow or blur. For better seeing them, you have to go to ray tracing. A blur thing like depth of field or blur shadow, you have to see in ray tracing render. If you want more sharp. So for seeing the blur, you have to go to ray tracing render. That's it. It's very simple. Or you can change overall color. For example, if you want to, you can see we have a light here. You can see that. You can come back to white again. Or a little sunlight, something like this. That's it. Or change the intensity of that.